Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer crypto from Bittrex to Binance. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few steps that you need to follow for you to make a transaction or to transfer your crypto into Binance. First you need to do is you need to log in into Bittrex. You need to access your Bittrex account by entering your login credentials. Next thing you want to do is you need to navigate to withdrawals. So locate and click on the withdrawals or send section in Bittrex to initiate the fund transfer. Now from there, select cryptocurrency. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now from there, enter Binance destination. Retrieve your deposit address from Binance and input it in on Bittrex as designated transfer destination. Now from there, specify transfer amount. Enter the desired currency amount, taking into account any applicable withdrawal fees. Now from there, confirm transaction and confirm the withdrawal on Bittrex, typically by entering a code sent to your email or using two-factor authentication. Now from there, await confirmation. Be patient and Bittrex processes the transaction. Track the progress on the exchange, and from there, check your Binance account. Log in into Binance and view your wallet to confirm the receipt of funds utilizing the provided deposit history. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.